We will travel across America to find the best cars for you. This is what I'm talking about. All we ask for is for your support. Please enjoy this next presentation by US Classic Muscle Cars. Hi, we are at the Mecum Auction, and right next to us is a 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda car. Now this car has a 426 by 425 horsepower Hemi V8 engine. It has two 4-barrier carburetors, D21 4-speed manual transmission. It has a horsed pistol grip shifter. It's a rally instrument cluster. It has a dual exhaust with chrome tips. Now it has 15-inch rally wheels with Goodyear. Now it has a 50-inch rally wheels with Goodyear Polyglass GT tires. Now it's a black vinyl top with longitude stripes and interior. Now the color is a B5 bright blue metallic paint. Beautiful paint. It's in immaculate condition. It has wood grain dash and a console accent. They just did a beautiful job on this color. Now let's take a look at the engine. Now you take a look over there, it has the name Shaker. Really nice and clean, well kept. Tell me what you think about this car. Comment below. Step by step, we're going to be bringing you more and more videos that you're going to love. Keep following us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. US Classic Muscle Cars would like to know what kind of cars you would like to see. Comment below, let us know. Thanks for watching.